In this segment of the Experts Corner, we're going to be talking about integrative health. Integrative health is one of the most exciting fields, really, to come along in American medicine in the last decade. You've probably noticed that many people, your friends and others, are asking for more information about things like acupuncture and Tai Chi and yoga, and where do they fit in the overall medical regimen. We've traditionally been trained in what's called Western medicine, which is everything that's based on the scientific method. But there's a whole nother field out there that's been practiced by practitioners in other countries for thousands of years in many cases. And though those efforts have not been unrewarded, they and many times are just as effective with less cost and many times less side effects than traditional Western medicine, which is primarily based in disease medicine. So now there is a field of what's called alternative medicine, which is everything other than traditional Western medicine, and that morphed into a more broad field called complementary medicine, which included essentially everything other than Western medicine, but it was added to Western medicine. In fact, statistically, 3/4 of American hospitals now offer some methods or types of complementary healing techniques for their patients. And about as many, 3/4 of our population, has used complementary medicine techniques in the last 12 months. I think the American public, frankly, is begging for more information about what their options are, and rather than having physicians be somebody who tells them how to live their life and what to do and how to treat their diseases, they just want more information and education, and they want to be empowered to choose for themselves what's appropriate for them. So integrative medicine offers people the very best of both worlds, and our job as physicians now is to get behind this movement, to support our patients who are asking for it, and offer the very best of all healing methodologies for our patients, for their health, their disease prevention, their longevity, quality of life, and their overall well-being.